Hey there fellow online business CEO, welcome to today's video where we're going to be talking all about influencer marketing, how that is so powerful for your e-commerce business. So by the end of this video, you will be able to understand the power of influencer marketing and be able to use that strategy for your marketing and getting the success that you're looking for with your e-commerce business. So picture this, your e-commerce store is booming with sales, your products flying off the virtual shelves and your brand gaining recognition like ever before. How can you make this dream a reality? Well, the answer lies in a strategy that taps directly into the hearts and minds of your target audience. So let's dive right in. So before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about your audience. You probably know the importance of quality products and excellent customer service means for you, right? You probably value authenticity, and that's what influencer marketing brings to the table for you. So it's about real people sharing their real experiences with your products or services. But here's the catch, it's not just about any influencer that will work. Your audience wants to see faces that they can trust and hear the voices that they can believe in. So this is where the magic lies in, because the influencers that really resonates with your audience and resonates with their age group and their interest will become the bridge between you and your products and your customers. So imagine Lisa, a fashion-savvy mom in her late 30s, sharing how a clothing line solves her wardrobe dilemmas while juggling work and family. Her followers see as a relatable, and her endorsements creates a connection, a sense of, hey, if it worked for her, it would work for me too. So how can you make the most out of influencer marketing? So tip 1, start by identifying influencers who are aligned with your brand, who are aligned to your brand values, and who have an authentic connection to your products. And remember, credibility is the key here. And tip 2, make sure you're fostering meaningful relationships. You have to build a rapport with the influencers. Engage with them on social media and let them become advocates of your brand. Tip 3, creativity is the queen. So make sure you're giving your influencers the freedom to be as creative as they can be when they're showcasing your products in their own unique way. Authenticity shines through when content feels so natural. Tip 4, you have to measure and adapt. So once you've used an influencer, make sure you're using the data to tweak it to see what's working for you and what's not working and what can you change to improve on, so that the next time when you run another influencer campaign, it'll be able to bring you the results that you're looking for. By now, you're wondering, how do I get started with influencer marketing? So with these tips, you're equipped to now start doing influencer marketing. So take your time to research the influencers that you can reach out to and be able to use in your business to bring that attention of your products, right? Using their connections, their audience. So don't shy with this. Make sure you take the time to do your research. Look for influencers that resonate in you, the brand, build those relationships with them, and to be able to give them that freedom that they need to create the content in an authentic way to which suits their audience, right? So that it resonates with those audiences you're trying to attract to come to your business. And then see what's working and do more of what's working, and what's not working, you trash that, you make the changes that you need to improve those campaigns for the next time that you do it again. So have you ever tried influencer marketing, and how did it go when you tried it for yourself? Let us know in the comments. And if you have any questions, please let me know as well down in the comments as well. So influencer marketing isn't just a trend, it's a powerful tool that can drive your customers' business to new heights. Your audience wants real connections, and influencers can help you build those bridges. So remember, in the world of e-commerce, authenticity sells. So go ahead, identify those influencers, nurture those relationships, and watch your business flourish. So I hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification button so that you don't miss another video like this, where I share tips and tricks on how to build, market, and scale your online business. So for now, stay strong, stay positive, continue building the business that you love, and I'll see you next time, guys. Take care. Bye.